welcome to another episode of Afro Scientific Spirituality. My name is Efe West, reaching you live and direct from the heart of Africa. If this is your first time on the channel, you're highly welcome. This is a place where we separate the facts from the fiction, the science from the superstition, and the concept from the misconceptions about African spirituality. Today, I will be talking about the Blue Vervain Plant, aka Verbena Hastata. This is a very, very powerful and popular plant in Africa, especially in West Africa. It is used for so many things, and today I will be talking about it. It is one plant that I have been shown a very long time. It actually grows in my village in southern Nigeria, but we have a native name for it. I have kind of forgotten that native name, but we have a native name for it. I don't know it, but the main thing is that it is called Blue Vervain in English, and the botanical name is Verbena Hastata. You can easily check it out. It is very popular in North Africa, West Africa, and some parts of America and Latin America. This is a plant that has been used from the ancient time. In ancient Egypt, it was very, very popular as well. And it's also popular in South Africa, in West Africa. We use it a lot for many things, especially women. It is very beautiful. It's actually a flower. It's a blue flower. And one thing you need to know about the plant is that it looks like lavender. It is almost identical to the plant we call lavender. And you can almost confuse both of them. So you have to be very, very careful when you are looking for this plant, so you don't go and get lavender and think that it's blue vervain. So that is what you need to know. It's very, very identical. But what this plant is used for is so many. Women use it a lot in Africa. Women use it for so many things. In fact, it's practically designed for women in a way due to their biological makeup. One of the main things it is used to stop menstrual cramp in women. It has been very, very effective in reducing severe cramps in women, and it is also used to eliminate growth and development of any worms and parasites in the intestines. Thereby, it is used to protect your digestive health and enable the free flow and availability of nutrients in the body. So it is very good for making sure that your circulation system works very, very well. It has also been used to treat diarrhea in West Africa. People that kind of are trained up in my village, what they say that they use it to cure poison. If somebody have been poisoned, they are going to give them this plant to chew. That once they chew the flower of this blue vervain, they are going to vomit any sort of poisons that the person may have ingested. So that was the main thing they told me when they were showing me this very plant, that if somebody have been poisoned, they give him this plant and they throw up and vomit everything and they get well. They also told me that it is used for return to sender in a way. If somebody sent you some kind of evil, negative vibration or spell, you can use it to actually, by drinking this very flower in a tea, you can return it back to the person. Then they also use it to treat bleeding gums, mouth ulcers, bacterial infections in the mouth. People that are kind of having mouth odor, smelly mouth, or bad breath due to bacterial infections in the throat or whatever, they take this plant in a tea and they also get well as well. Then one of the most important things that it is also used for is that they use it for lactation of women. These are nursing mothers that do not have enough milk in their breasts. They give them the tea made with this very plant, and it produces milk help to stimulate the production of milk in the body of the woman. So they use this for lactating mothers or women that want to have milk in their breast. They put it in a tea and they drink it, and it stimulates the production of milk. So that is one of the most important thing that they use it for in West Africa. Then they also use it to treat arthritis and kidney stone as well. It's very effective for that. Then people also use it to treat depression and to relax the mind. It kind of have some enzymes that stimulates or relax the brain functions, enabling the person to think properly and to clear the mind. So it is used to reduce anxiety or anxiety in people that think too much or people that are always feeling sad or depressed. They take this plant and it helps to solve that problem for them. Okay, so these are some of the many things that they use this blue vervain for. So it's a very, very necessary and powerful plant. The way it is done is that the flowers are collected, and it is immersed in hot water, and you drink this water or they put it in alcohol, and they also after some time they consume the alcoholic beverage immersed with the plants, and this is how they get the medicinal properties from the plants as well. Okay, so it's a very, very good plant, and it's very useful in African spirituality, especially in West Africa. People in the villages, the rural areas use it a lot up to this day. In my village, it is very, very many. So many places you see these plants growing, just growing in the village, and the people use it a lot. And it's one of the most popular plants that you will find there. So it's something that you can actually try. That is very useful for women that are having painful menstruation, painful periods. I think you should try this plant. It's going to help you. Women that want to lactate, they should also, I think, they should also try this plant as well. People that are suffering from kidney problems, arthritis, sadness, depression, mouth bleeding gums, this plant is also useful for them. Okay, so this is what the blue vervain is used for, and you can try it. This video was actually requested by a subscriber, so I hope that you have been able to know what the plant is used for. So questions and comments are welcome. Please like and share this video. Subscribe to my channel and try to join the channel if you want to know more about African spirituality. And I will be seeing you in the next video. So take care and have a wonderful day. Bye.